The best survival knives to get you through any adventure or disaster. Don't get us wrong, a solid EDC is great and incredibly useful. But if you're out in the woods, preparing for a natural disaster, or simply looking for a longer blade, you're going to want something a little sturdier. That usually takes the form of a fixed blade knife with a full Tang design, in which the blade material extends through the full length of the handle. 1. Filson X-Buck Knives 104 Compadre Camp Knife. With a good-sized steel alloy blade that's razor-sharp, the Compadre is a full Tang knife for all occasions. The limited edition collaboration takes Buck's original design and uses Filson's signature tin cloth canvas in the Makata handle, which gave us a secure grip even when our hands were dirty. The jimping notches on the blade's spine lent even more purchase whether we were whittling or applying lots of force. 2. Coast F402. The F402 is as affordable a survival knife as you can ask for without risking quality and capability. The full Tang blade cut smoothly through the tomato and quickly through the rope, though both tasks took a bit more oomph than with the other fixed blades. It also made it impressively far through the stick, and the thick, textured nylon handle meant we could push hard and still feel confident that it wouldn't slip. The nylon sheath attaches with a simple belt loop, making the whole setup prone to bouncing off our leg as we moved. But at least the snap closure keeps the blade from falling out. 3. SOG Pillar. Compared with typically utilitarian survival knives, Helle's offerings excluded, of course, the pillar is a fine-looking tool. Its canvas Makata, a synthetic laminate that's grippier than the fiberglass variety, handle is both eye-catching and effective, as it feels soft and easy to hold even when wet. The pillar's blade is the longest we tested and boasts a very sharp edge that glided through the tomato and rope and pressed halfway into the stick. 4. Gerber Strong Arm. The murdered-out strong arm looks intimidating, with the bite to back up its bark. The long, straight blade made short work of the rope and tomato. It also cut about halfway through the stick. But while the rubberized, textured handle made for a sure grip, we didn't love how it thins near the blade, uncomfortably pressing on our palm when we leaned hard into the stick. 5. Helle Temagami. Temagami features a handcrafted curly birch handle and fits snugly into a Nordic-style leather sheath, which doesn't require a strap to keep the knife holstered. But don't take this for a mere showpiece. The polished, triple-laminated stainless steel blade sliced through our tomatoes and rope better than all the other fixed blades of similar size. 6. Gerber Ultimate. The Ultimate is built for survival and then some. It has a long partially serrated blade that we liked best for making large cuts, sawing through things, and completing other tasks that didn't require a great deal of precision. This is mostly a result of the long handle, which we had to choke up on to get the appropriate leverage for detailed carving. 7. CRKT Utsidahi. For a fixed blade you can carry on the regular, choose CRKT's new Utsidahi. Its diminutive frame and skeletonized, nylon-wrapped handle keep weight off and made it more discreet to carry on our person. Yet, the blade is longer than many folding knives and, by virtue of the full Tang design, stronger. 8. Morakniv Floating Knife. It was a strange feeling, in a good way, to wield an almost 4-inch blade in a sub-2-ounce package. Morakniv's new water-ready floating knife measured half the weight of the next lightest fixed blade on our list and is even lighter than its predecessor, the floating serrated knife, thanks to its thinner blade. 9. Smith & Wesson HRT Full Tang Spear Point. The budget-friendly HRT has a double-edged blade that's ideal for piercing and stabbing. We used it to punch holes in leather with decent efficiency. But for cutting, the lower-quality stainless steel blade didn't impress. 10. Spyderco Zuma Fixed Blade Knife. Reliable high-performance, Spyderco fixed blade knives offer the same performance you expect from our groundbreaking folding knives. Proudly crafted for life with highly evolved ergonomics to minimize fatigue and increase cutting power. 11. Boca Fixed Blade. The famous knives with the world-renowned Tree brand have been handmade in Solingen since 1869. Since the foundation, no knife has left our manufactory without this sign of quality. 12. Falkivan Black Blade. It is designed to withstand all the stresses applied by the human hand, which means that it is virtually indestructible. It assumes, however, that you are careful with the knife and that it is used as intended, namely as a sharp precision tool. 13. Southern Grind Bad Monkey. Southern Grind, Zach Brown's Georgia-based knife company, offers unrivaled knife lines and unique metalworks made by American hands using extremely high-quality materials and an unparalleled attention to detail. Steel blade made from 14C28N with RC59 to 61 hardness and conventional flat grind. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel.